Although having the physical hardware for this course is preferred, it is not required. And that's because you have an option of using an Arduino circuit simulator. And right now, I'm going to walk you through how to set one up known as Tinkercad. And Tinkercad will allow you to follow along with this course and work on the practice problems if you do not have the means of obtaining the hardware. Tinkercad is a free-to-use browser application, so you don't have to download anything or pay anything to use it. However, you are required to make an account. So if you choose to use the Tinkercad application, go ahead and make an account and log in. And once you've done that, you will start off in your dashboard, which looks like this. To start a new simulation, go ahead and click New and select Circuits. And this will pull up the circuit editor. And then on the right, we have the list of all the components that we can use. So let's go ahead and choose the Arduino R3, which is the board I'll be using for this course. And I can go ahead and click and drag and drop. And to upload code onto this Arduino simulation, instead of using the Arduino IDE, we need to write our code into the code editor within the simulation. So to get to the code editor, we can just click on the code button. And in this course, we will be writing code instead of using code blocks. So let's change the edit mode from blocks to text. When you're ready to upload your code onto the simulated Arduino, you can click the Start Simulation button. And that's it, you're all set up. Before we move on, I do want to share a word of warning about using hardware simulators in general. Simulators are helpful development tools, but are not a true replacement for real physical hardware. Simulations are imperfect approximations of the real world, and just because a simulation works does not mean the real hardware will work exactly the same way. If you are serious about learning electronics and getting into microcontrollers, you will need practice debugging and working on real hardware. Additionally, it's way cooler to have your projects physically in front of you as something you can feel and touch. So with that, you are now ready to use the Arduino circuit simulator for this course.